Welcome back to the farm, folks. Today is a hot one in the middle of nowhere, Texas, about 97 degrees, 80% humidity, which translates roughly to about 36 and some change if you don't use freedom units. We all know that nothing goes better with oppressive heat than mowing the lawn. Unfortunately, the local rock population has seen fit to destroy the spindle on my riding lawnmower. I'm not about to use the push mower on the rest of the acreage here, so rather than suffer in silence and hire somebody, we're going to pull the lawnmower deck out from underneath it using my tang tool set, replacing the spindle and doing any necessary repairs on the lawnmower blade itself. This series is kind of designed to show and spread my mantra of no job too big, no job too small, no broken machines, no job at all. And anything can be repaired. Anything can be fixed if you put your mind to it, you do the research, and just have the courage to take matters into your own hands. This is what I want to impart onto you, the viewer. So let's crack open our white monster drinks. Got my dad shorts on. Dad hat on. Let's go fix a lawnmower and go mow the lawn because America.